Alright guys, I just want to do a kind of like a gadget review kind of thing. I got this from Home Depot. Check it out. Bam. This is one of my favorite toys right here because this thing is good for a lot of things. There's a whole bunch of stuffs. Let me take this out for you. Get this open here. There we go. Now I like the grip and stuff on this one, and it has like the saw blade edge right here. Can really cut a lot of stuff. So right now I'm just kind of using it as a box cutter, but I got like 3 more because it comes in handy for a bunch of stuff. You can see right there, and you got this clip right there. You can usually put like a string or a clip. You can clip it to your bag. You can turn it around, and it has a clip right here on its own. You can just put it right on your belt buckle. How cool is that? And this is like solid. This ain't coming out. This brand, from what I know of, says it's complete stainless steel as well. So that's a cool part about it. So check this out. Okay, you can close it with one hand. You press this part down right there, like that. Press it down, and you can go like that. Or if you go like this fast enough, you can like flick it open. But this is my review. One of my favorite gadget tools I use a lot. Check it out at Home Depot. It's $10. These things are actually just $10 only, which is kind of surprising because you really get your money's worth and beyond. It's just really awesome. You can see like the detail right here a little bit. There we go. You can see right there. All right, that's my review.